Another high-spirited clash. Operative word red, the color of the theme ingredient in the Italian flag. And in support of challenger Franco, the red-hot enthusiasm of the big leaguers. His Roman cushion against Iron Chef Kobe, who dared to venture into the unknown. Judges deadlocked, it'll be decided on point. Who takes it? Whose cuisine reigns supreme? Kathleen, cool it up. It's the Iron Chef of the the challenger, Suzuki 1916, the Iron Chef, total points 75-72, a thin margin of 3 for Kobe, edging Franco, the Iron Chef surviving. And hey, one more thing about the color red. It's the color of the apron of the Victorian Iron Chef Italian Masahiko Kobe. I voted for Franco because, well, patriotism and attachment to his home country. That's why I voted for him, you know. But Kobe-san, your dishes were great too.
I voted for Iron Chef. I think he did better in dealing with a particular kind of tomatoes that were chosen to use today. But the challengers' dishes, the Carolo pasta that was
Baka harapin. Teng. Aba, kasalanan mo yan. Hindi niya dumaayos. Nag-aayos ka. Ayan na, ayan na. Tinatoyo ka na naman eh. Teng. Teng. Sige, iyan ako sa ulo mo, Teka. Teng. Tong. Teng. Napaka masyado. I wanna make love now, 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 now. I wanna make love right now, now, now. Da 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 da. Na na na. Yes. Halika na, tama na yan, tama na. Dali, halika dito, bunso ko. Halika dito. Bye-bye. Aalis na ako, sige. Kevin, huwag ka maglakad ng ganyan. Ayun, ano? Sabi ko na eh. Huwag lang maglakad ng ganyan. Huwag ka magganyan. Tama na. Tama na. Ako, Diyos ko po. Kasalanan mo. Nakapagod naman makipaglaro si Kevin.